In this video, we will show you how to set up your K&S International Sierra Hardwood interlocking floor. Let's begin. To set up the floor, you will need a rubber mallet and a drill. The third tool shown is only used to disassemble the floor. Create your floor space using the corner transitions. This 10 by 10 floor has 9 panels, 8 short transition edges for the corners, and 8 long transition edges for the borders. Lay out your panels using the diagram provided with your floor. It can also be downloaded from the K&S website. You will be able to connect the panels with ease. If necessary, gently tap the side using a rubber mallet until the panel is secured. You are almost finished, just a few more steps. Place 2 long border transitions on each side of the floor. Using your diagram for a starting point, connect both side and corner transitions to the main panels, continuing around the entire floor. Once the last corner transition is secure, tighten the screw. Congratulations, your floor is now complete. Visit the K&S International website for other great flooring products. See you soon!